dinalaw namin ang wheelchair basketball team ng PhilSpada sa tahanang walang hagdanan ng Cainta, Rizal. Masaya nila kaming sinalubong at pinakita ng kanilang galing sa basketball. Sa kabila ng mga paghihirap, ang wheelchair basketball team ng PhilSpada ay tumanggap na ng maraming parangal dahil sa kanilang pagtsatsaga at pagsusumikap.
I had a player, took us almost 2 months for him to be able to throw the ball on the foul shot. He could not reach the ring. He was trying his best for a year, 2 years, for a month or two, throwing that ball, trying to get to the ring. He just couldn't make it. It never reached. Finally, after so many months of trying, he did it hook shot style. Umabot na sa wakas. And you have to use a player that weak in playing the game. So those are one of the nice things that the players, this particular guy, when he was training at home, he was lying down. So may bola siya, and he would throw it against the wall just to be able to develop a little strength. That's outside of practice in his home. He did it so often that one time, he threw the ball and hit a crack in the wall. It fell on his head. It had a big wound. No?
Kaya naman binigyan namin sila ng isang araw na punong-puno ng saya at pagkilala sa kanilang kakaibang galing. Sa tulong ni Mr. Public Service, Kuya Daniel Razon, dinala namin ang buong team sa basketball event noong linggo sa Cuneta Astrodome.